Hello, and welcome aboard to another video of our How To series. In this video, we will walk you through the exclusive Preferences tab of our editing panel. Let's get right into it. Begin by logging into your account, then head over to the editing panel. Select Preferences to craft a personalized, elegant design that reflects your unique style. The Preferences section allows you to fine-tune your presentation style with custom colors and layouts. You can either choose a different background image for each slide or use the same one throughout, giving your deck a seamless, unified look. You can try out our various background decorations we provide for your slides, personalizing your presentations by choosing the one that best fits your style and adds a chic touch. But be aware that these decorations are only applied to the background, and if your slide contains an image, you must position it appropriately with the decoration you choose. You can make your presentation more professional and specific by changing the background color of your slide by clicking on the background color option from the Theme Colors section or by using the color options given. That's pretty much it. Enjoy the process and have fun presenting with Decktopus.